what's up? Hey guys, what's up? I'm just listening to like some music. It is Meg and the Monster dubstep remix. Yeah. Alright. Hold on, let me get this. Sorry. Anyways, I'm with my twin sister, and V right now. She is Lovable Girlie, 89. Alright, we're looking the same, and we're going to go through Animal Jam, like, saying that we're famous and stuff, so, meet you there. Alright, so, we're getting another YouTuber to help us out. She went through the portal. Alright, so it's another YouTuber by the name of XX Juniper Spirit Star XX. She has a YouTube channel as well.
Where's the laptop bunny?
Alright, anyway, I don't know who she is, but, you know, shout out to her!
Okay, well.
Sorry, I'm with my friend, Master Page 1001. She's doing a mission.
Stop. I don't know where this bunny is. Let's go again.
Let's go.
Yeah, over here, man.
Follow me, YouTube. Alright, so, just gonna wait for the spawn.
Yeah. Oh, found the bunny.
Hey.
You know where the other key is?
Which other friend should I ask?
I'm gonna take off my mask.
Here with a recording.
I think I got rid of all the bunnies. I mean, all the phantoms. I want to get rid of them.
Well, she might be. Okay, so we are back. We're at a different. Sorry, I just need to put this on. So we're at a different server. All right, and she's coming. Hold on, I need to get it.
Did you read this?
she's right there.
Me and my epic plays.
Listen to your jam. Helping.
Hey, the trading party's on.
Pretty party. Alright, so we are going to the tree.
Yay! No.
Yeah, it's unlocked, right? Well, that is all of the time we have for today. We will get another video like this soon with Rosie and me. Woo! Rosie and me. It's my new talk show. Or our new talk
Hey,
show.
I have the talk show.
Well, you don't really do videos.
And I'll trade you. Color.
We're best friends with Snowy Claw. Wait, we are best friends with Snowy Claw. Come to our den for a video.
What happened? Oh, I'm not being crashed.
From my den. BFFs with sure. Snowy Claw. Come to my den for a shout out.
Woohoo!
We are BFFs with Snowy Claw. Come to our den for a shout out video. Okay, guys. Snowy Claw, if you're watching this, I'm a huge fan. We are not. I wish we were besties, but I
Okay, I
wish.
need
But
one more. Sweet, number 5.
BFFs with Snowy Claw. Oh yeah, we are, girl. Alright, well that's all the time we have for today. We will do another video like this. Alright, I'm going swimming with my BFF in real life. Alright, see you guys.
Totally.
Mwah. Like and subscribe.